The following question is related to chemical equilibrium. The question states that the equation shows the reaction for the formation of sulfur trioxide using a catalyst. So there's a reaction SO2 plus O2 and it's forming SO3 and it's a reversible reaction. And he's asking which change in reaction conditions will produce more sulfur trioxide. So what we need to do is we need to increase the rate of forward reaction with respect to the backward reactions. We want the forward reaction to be favored. So more SO3 could be produced. Now the first statement is adding more catalyst. Now adding more catalyst would not affect the overall yield of SO3 because the rate of forward reaction and the rate of backward reaction would both increase in speed. So no change would occur to the equilibrium position. So adding more catalyst would not affect the equilibrium position. Decreasing the pressure. What does decreasing the pressure do? If you decrease pressure, then the side with more gas moles is favored. Side with more gas moles is favored, which in the above case is going to be this side over here because it has more gas moles, 2 molecules of SO2, 1 molecule of O2. So that's a total of 3 molecules. So this side has more gas moles, hence the reverse reaction or the backward reaction would speed up. So decreasing the pressure is not going to increase the amount of SO3. Option C is increasing the temperature. If you increase temperature, then the endothermic reaction is favored. At a higher temperature, endothermic reaction would be favored, which in this case, the forward is exothermic because the sign of delta H is negative. So this forward reaction is exothermic. So in this case, if you increase temperature, the endothermic reaction would be the backward reaction. So less SO3 would be produced and more of SO2 would be produced. So increasing the temperature is also not a good option. And removing sulfur trioxide. If you remove sulfur trioxide, if I get rid of sulfur trioxide, the equilibrium would try to make more sulfur, so more SO3 would be produced. Because according to the Lee-Chatelier principle, the equilibrium opposes any change introduced into the system. So if you're removing SO3, the equilibrium would try to make even more SO3. So if you remove SO3, more SO3 would be produced, and so forward reaction would be favored and even more SO3 would be produced. So option D is going to be your correct option for this particular question.